Park Industries created this video to assist you on replacing and maintaining the gripper set on your quantum belt drive spindle. Turn the spindle disable switch to the on position. Remove any tool from the spindle. At the console, go to the Setup, Advanced Setup, and then enter the password Sunrise. Press the Extend Drawbar button. Insert the T-handle hex wrench into the gripper tool and then insert both into the spindle. Turn the gripper tool to align the tool tabs with the gripper set slots. Turn the T-handle wrench counterclockwise to loosen the set screw. Take the T-handle wrench out and screw the gripper puller in tight. Turn gripper tool counterclockwise to loosen the gripper set. Pull gripper set out using the puller tool. Unscrew gripper set from the tool. Clean the gripper set. Inspect gripper fingers and spring for wear and damage. If needed, replace the spring and gripper fingers. Screw the gripper set into the puller tool. Generously coat the gripper tool with Metaflux. Insert and screw the gripper set into the spindle. Use the T-handle hex wrench to tighten the set screw. Using the depth gauge, measure the distance from the bottom of the spindle to the gripper set. Adjust gripper set and set screw to reach the depth of 3.573 inches with a tolerance of 0.004 of an inch. Retract the drawbar. Thank you for choosing Park Industries. If you have any questions, please call customer service at 800-785-3391.